In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Chrome flags. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or device. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can follow along without any interruptions. Chrome flags are experimental settings built into the browser, and they allow you to access features that may still be in testing. Because of that, this section is mainly for advanced options, so it's a good idea to explore carefully and only change settings if you understand what they do. Once Chrome is open, move to the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is the same place where you normally type in website addresses or search terms. In the address bar, enter the Chrome flags page, address exactly as shown in your instructions, then press enter on your keyboard. After that, click to open the page if needed. When the page loads, you'll be taken to the Chrome flags area. This page contains a large collection of experimental tools and browser features. Some options may improve performance, unlock early features, or change the way Chrome behaves. Since these settings are experimental, you may also notice a warning message near the top of the page. That's completely normal. It's there to remind you that changing flags can sometimes affect browser stability or performance. From here, feel free to explore the available flags. You can scroll through the list and look at the names and descriptions of each option. The descriptions usually explain what the feature does, which can help you decide whether it's something you want to try. Take your time while browsing, especially if you're new to this section of Chrome. If you do decide to explore further, a helpful tip is to change only one setting at a time. That makes it easier to notice what effect a flag has and helps avoid confusion if something changes unexpectedly. If Chrome starts behaving strangely after enabling a flag, you can always return to this page later and review the settings you changed. That's all there is to getting to the Chrome flags page and enabling yourself to explore these hidden browser options. It's a simple process, but it opens the door to a more customizable Chrome experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.